Okay, more solving linear equations in one variable. These contain fractions. We'd like to clear the fractions when possible. So we look at all the fractions in the equation and consider the denominators, 11, 7, and another 11. And we know that we can clear those fractions if we can find the least common multiple, and for 11 and 7 that would be 77. And then we multiply both sides of the equation by 77. Okay. So we're going to take the 77 and multiply each term in both parentheses. 77 times 1 over 11x minus 77 times 3 is equal to 77 times 2/7 x minus 77 times 2/11. And I believe there's an x on this. Please correct that. Okay. There's an x on the 2/11 in the original. The reason we do that is to clear the fractions. This is how that happens. 77 divides by 11 for 7. And that leaves us with 7 times 1 times x for the first term, 7x. 77 times 3 multiplies for 231. Bring your equal sign down. 77 divided by 7 is a result of 11, and so 11 times 2 times x gives us 22x here. And again we have another fraction. Clear the fraction. 77 divided by 11 leaves 7. 7 times 2 times x, bring our minus sign down here, 14x. Now we can collect like terms here. 22x minus 14x leaves 8x. 7x minus 231 has nothing to collect. Okay, at this point we only have x's on this side, so we might just want to leave the constant here and eliminate the x term on this side. So that would take a minus 7x to eliminate it on this side, and a minus 7x on the other side to keep things equal. Then we have negative 231 is equal to 8x minus 7x is 1x. So we could write our result this way, or we could turn it around and say x is equal to negative 231. Alright, and remember to check to see if that really is the solution. We could take it back and run it through the original equation with fractions, and we would see, yes, this does check. Another one with fractions. Three fractions here, just two fractions here, two denominators. Still might be nice to clear the fractions. So the least common multiple of 4 and 8 is the number 8. So we multiply both sides of the equation by 8. So we're going to distribute to two parts or two terms here, and we only have one term to multiply by here. So 8 multiplied by p over 4 minus 8 multiplied by 3p over 8 is equal to 8 multiplied by 3. So again, the reason for this is to clear the fraction. So 8 divided by 4 leaves 2. 2 times p, and bring your minus sign down. 8 divided by 8 leaves 1, so this is 1 times 3p, and 8 times 3 is 24. Like terms here, collect for negative p is equal to 24, and we want a positive p, so we'll divide both sides by negative, or multiply both sides by negative 1. Either one, that would give us p is equal to negative 24. Let's take a look at some linear equations that have decimals.